The speed bag is a workout that's common in every boxing gym. The sound of a properly worked speed bag is undeniable. Some novice fighters have a hard time striking the speed bag correctly and getting it to fall into that proper rhythm. Here's one simple tip to improve your speed bag workout immediately. The problem a lot of fighters have when working the speed bag is that they try to hit it at a downward angle, or they try to hit it right here at the front of the bag and draw up short. This forces the bag back at an awkward angle and catches their hand at the wrong point. The trick to hit the bag effectively is to hit it at the same point every time within its three-dimensional area of travel. The easiest way to do that is to drive through the bag with every one of your strikes. When the bag goes up and back, your eye is going to lose sight of the bag temporarily, so you can't rely on eyesight. You have to rely on rhythm and timing. So, as a novice, the easiest way to perfect this timing is with this one simple trick. You see that back there? This here is your one simple trick. If you can put a mark on the wall behind the speed bag, at the exact height that you're targeting the bag, as long as you're close to driving through the bag, all you need to do is listen for that rhythm and aim for that X. If you're aiming at the X, you're always going to hit the bag at the same spot in time with the rhythm. And then you're going to be able to hit it consistently without it flying out of control. In other words, you're always driving through the bag and always aiming for the exact same target, that X that's on the wall. It takes your eyes off the bag, but the rhythm comes from the hand timing and consistent target accuracy, which now you're going to have locked in due to the fact that you're aiming at the X. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe. Leave me a comment below. What you don't leave below, how about you leave in the ring? And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.